Let's cut to the chase. This is just an old drawing that wasn't going anywhere. I could have tossed it years ago, but I figured, why not cut it up instead? That's why I never throw these things away. So I painted this Coke bottle on top of the scrap paper. Nothing serious, just messing around. Now here's where most people try to make it perfect, and that usually doesn't cut it. So I kept it loose, cut it out, left some edges rough, so no cutting corners here. Drop it on top, and suddenly that old mess underneath actually works. Guess you could say I had my work cut out for me, but that's kind of the point. Sometimes the fix isn't starting over, it's just cutting into what you already have. And just a reminder, don't run with scissors and follow for more. Thanks for watching.